Repetitive, accurate, narrow rips with a track saw. I can't even believe I'm making this video. It's just total spur of the moment, drop into the shop. No title, no description, no bullet points, no script. The wood shop is broken down. The main part of the shop that makes it so usable isn't working today, and that's mobility. The smart bench is stuck. That's why I decided to film this. So what I'm working on is an update to the smart cart. I needed 3 rips out of a piece of 18 mil ply at 160 millimeters. And I've already done one, this one here, and I needed 3. I could have easily just made lines and did them, but I like accuracy and repeatability. And I was thinking, if I ran into this situation here where I've got everything, what if I'm on the job and I run into it? I wanted to go ahead and set up for narrow rips. I've avoided it. I had part of what I needed. I had the short parallel rails. I have all 3 sets because I got the kit. So I had the shorts, the mediums, and the longs. So I use the medium all the time. If I could only have one set, it would be the longs, the 50 inchers, because they'll do everything I need, but they're a bit clunky. So I like to keep those set up just for the wide stuff. And the ones I use 98% of the time, the 30s, the middle size, they're set up and good to go all the time. But the shorts I just didn't use. And I had an extra set of stops that I set up with extended rod that helps you do, that you need if you're going to do narrow rips. Because a narrow rip means that the track is pulled back over your material, so your stops can't go underneath. So you got to have a special stop to do that. So anyway, I have those, and I would just put those on the 30s. But I didn't like it because they were always hard to hold up. So I went ahead and set these up. Now I do have one piece that I scavenged off the 50s. That's the quick attachment guides. I'm going to get another pair of these now that I've done this. I like to not have any extra tools that I don't absolutely need. But when it comes to stuff like this, where it's precision and accuracy and repeatability and just how fast I can work and trust my cuts, this kind of stuff, I don't like the transformer things that you have to fold out or make adjustments or change over. So I decided I'm going to go ahead and do this since I had 2/3 of what I needed. And I'm going to go ahead today and get an order in for another set of these, because when I made that first cut, I learned something that makes total sense, but I had not tried it. And that is, because I'm using these shorter tracks, these shorter parallel guides, it's not near as clunky. Duh. So anyway, I'm going to show you when I make these other 2 cuts. But I'm a little confined here. When I'm over here, my saw with its bag hits where I need to start. So I'm going to probably pull this out a little bit so that I can start it. And I'm fortunate that I've got just enough room to not hit this post. Time to make 2 more cuts. Look, no hands, it's not tipping, it's working perfectly. So I'm tied up against my material underneath. One more. I recant all of my past videos where I said that the track saw is not the right tool for narrow rips. If you're set up right, it is an excellent tool for that, and it got me out of a bind today that I could not have done on the table saw. If you want to get a set of parallel guides for yourself made by TSO, or the whole kit of all 3, then this is a great opportunity. The Father's Day sale is this weekend. I will put an affiliate link in the description of this video down below. If you use it, they do share a little bit with us. Don't charge you any extra. In fact, you get the Father's Day sale as well. This video has nothing to do with the TSO Father's Day sale. This was a situation, a real situation that I'm working on something in the shop, and TSO came to the rescue, and I decided to flip on the cameras and let you see what I was doing. It just so happens that the Father's Day sale is coming up here very soon, so I'm going to marry this video to that upcoming. So when you see this video, it is the Father's Day sale. Mahalo.